So first thing we're going to do this morning is diagnose what's gone on with these spark plugs. So when I started up this morning, it was running probably only on about 3 cylinders, maybe even 2. So when I actually came down here, took these out, put them on there like that, and tested the spark on the side of there like that, they were dead. So they weren't even producing a spark. So essentially all I did was went out and got new spark plugs, and you can see the state of the end of that. I suspect that this build up is due to the bike being started on choke, just run for a little bit and then turned off again, which happens a lot when bikes are in storage. People actually don't understand that running a bike can actually be worse than just leaving it alone until it's done and you've got to ride it again. So put them all in there, put some new spark plugs in there. So now what we're going to do is, once we've done that, we're going to start it up and give it a try, see how we go. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, that sounds nice and smooth. Very little noise coming from the engine itself. There's no knocking. Let's give it a... Oh yeah. And I think that's it. So $25 worth of spark plugs. That was an easy fix. On to